Okay, so now we're going to put the head assembly together. Now you'll notice we have 3 plungers here. The common theme here is the odd man out goes in the middle. Okay? Now we have these 2 plungers, which are the same. They have 2 O-rings on them. They get lubricant on those 2 O-rings. They go into the head on the outside. Okay? This one is different. It's the oddball out. It looks different than the others. It has more O-rings on it. And it also has a notch here to create that swirl. This one goes in the center. Okay, O-rings down in the center. Final one goes on this side. Again, everything's properly lubricated so that this handle can go up and down very easy. We also have lubricant here on these 2 head O-rings on either side. Okay, now when we put the handles together, same thing here. We have these 2 handles are identical. Okay, so the same go on the outside. We're going to put these handles in, lock them down. Okay, now the handle that looks different as the longest, it goes in the middle. Okay, we're going to push this in. Now to lock our handles in place, we're going to put this rod in. Okay, it has a little ball bearing there so we can push it through. And we're assembled. Now we're going to put this on the front of the machine. Okay, important here too is our beater breaker bars need to be up and down so that they can accept into the head. So we're going to put this on, and it's going to sit like that until we use these to screw it into place.